Hello everyone, my name is D. Siddhartha Kumar of class 10th. Today I am going to tell about introductions and applications related to areas and circumference of a circle. First, what is a circle? A circle is a closed curved figure which is equidistant from the center. Now I am going to tell several points about the circle. Diameter. A diameter is a line joining two points along with the center. Here AB is the diameter which joins two points on the circle along with the center. Radius. A radius is a line joining center and any point of the circle. Here you can tell OA, OB and OC are the radius. Chord. A chord is a line joining two points on border of the circle. PQ is a chord and you can also tell diameter is the largest chord in the circle. Arc. An arc is a curved length on the border of the circle. We can divide an arc into two types, major arc and minor arc. A major arc is an arc which is largest curved length on the circle. A minor arc is an arc which is the smallest curved length on the circle. Here BDC is a minor arc, BCD is a major arc. Sector. What is a sector? A sector is an area which is in between two radius and an arc. Here BOC is a sector. We can also divide sector into two types, major sector and minor sector. Here the largest area which is in between two radius and one arc is known as major sector. The smallest area which is in between two radius and one arc is known as minor sector. Here BOCD is a minor sector, BCO is a major sector. Non-intersecting line. A non-intersecting line is a line which have no common points between circle and a line. Secant. A secant is a line which have 2 points on the circle. Tangent. A tangent is a new word maybe for you. A tangent is a line having only one point at the point of contact, that is T. Here a segment. A segment is a area which is in between the chord and the arc. Here PQ, the area between PQ, chord and arc is known as segment. There is an important point that diameter divides a circle into two equal segments and equal sectors. Now we will see the area of a circle. To find the area of a circle, we use the formula pi r square. And to find the circumference of a circle, we use 2 pi r. First, what is the area? The area means the place which is present in the circle. And the circumference means the border line which is known as circumference. Now we will see some applications of areas and circumference. See, you know all this. This is a plate of diameter 14 centimeters. Now we will find the area of this plate. The formula is pi r square. So you know what is a pi? Pi is 22 by 7. Into radius. Radius is diameter divided by 2. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. 7 into 7. So 7 will be cancelled. 22 into 7 is equal to 154 centimeter square. Always remember a point that area is represented in centimeter square units. And now circumference of this plate. The formula is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. So 7 will be cancelled. 2 into 22 is equal to 44 centimeters. I hope you all understood my topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.